मैंने पूछा, क्या आसमान की कोई सरहद है?
Do you find no value in a human life?
You mean an Indian life, sir?
What? That's understood, Lieutenant.
They say a good soldier finds no value in an enemy life. He is comfortably heartless.
We are here to do our duty for our nation.
I find more value in a life lost to humanity than a life lost for protecting a nation.
We swore to protect the nation.
Did we swear to protect lines that divide us?
Borders are created to make living easier, Lieutenant. A man has to know his boundaries.
So that they imprison him his entire life?
No, so that he knows what is not his.
It's an unending process, this creating of borders. We inherit them the day we are born. We build more around us as we grow. And slowly we wall ourselves in.
What is this?
You know, there's a slight difference in the war tents that I work in and this beautiful home.
I won't get to live here.
Why?
I too have a life in war tents.
My life in war tents is collecting blood spilled over unnamed borders. I spend my hours bandaging bone-deep wounds. I see a little boy with his arm blown off. And I smile and tell him he will be all right. He will go to his mama and sleep happily. Then I try to make sure he doesn't bleed to death. Your life in those tents is with shells and knives. You take lives and the nation worships you. There's more than a slight difference here, I think. I still love you.
You left me.
I still love you.
You know, as a kid, I thought my home was the world.
And now you think this nation is the world. You're still a kid. Leave it.
Leave what?
This war.
I can't.
You can't make a living out of dying.
I can't. मेरी मंजिल यही है.
And I can't live every moment knowing how close you are to the end. You know, there are bigger things than this war.
I had never heard something like that before. He looked me in the eye and said he wasn't patriotic anymore. Can you believe that? He said his loyalties were no more limited to the nation.
What did you say?
What could I say? An army man swallows the turmoil of harsh war so he can stand up for his country. All for that one moment of glory. For that one moment of glory. For that one moment of glory. For that one moment of glory.
Shankar,
Yes, sir.
there was an attack at post 502. 60 casualties reported. Take your company of 100 soldiers and go to reinforce the post immediately.
Then I try to make sure he doesn't bleed to death. Your life in those tents is with shells and knives. You take lives and the nation worships you. There's more than a slight difference here, I think.
What is that?
एक छोटे से जमीन के टुकड़े के लिए इतना खून बह रहा है और हमें परवाह ही नहीं है उस आबाद दुनिया की जिसके लिए जिंदगी अहम है।
शंकर, ये जमीन का टुकड़ा ही हमारा मुल्क है।
इस मुल्क की सरहदों पर हमारे खून के निशान है। There are bigger things than this war.
Sir!
I think my loyalties are no more limited to the nation.
शंकर! शंकर!
जनाब, एक हिंदुस्तानी अपने सरहद की तरफ भागते हुए आ रहा है।
और करीब आए तो वाणी फायर करो।
जी जनाब। क्या हो रहा है?
Stop firing!
मैंने पूछा, क्या आसमान की कोई सरहद है? जवाब आया, नहीं।